is the symbol for the number 456? 456. Number 2. How do you write the numeral 809 in words? 809 in words. Number 3. In the number 732, which word describe the total value of the number? In the number 732, which word describe the total value of the number? Number 4. Teacher Maria wrote 921. 921 on the board. Which of the following shows this number in expanded form? Number 5. Mang Juan has 670 mangoes from his orchard. Help him write this amount in the words for his sales record. Letter A, 67. Letter B, 607. Letter C, 670. Letter D, 760. Number 6. If one flat blocks represent 100, one long rod represents 10, and one small cubes represents 1, what number is shown by 3 flats, 5 longs, and 2 cubes? A, 253. B, 325. C, 352. D, 532. Number 7. Which set of models correctly show the number 240? 240. Look at the number 584. What does the digit 8 represent? Look at the number 584. What does the digit 8 represent? A, 8 ones. B, 8 tens. C, 80 tens. D, 800 hundreds. Number 9. Aling Nena is packing localized calamansi candies. She made 4 bundles of 100 candies and 7 loose pieces. What numeral represents her total candies? A, 47. B, 470. C, 407. D, 740. Number 10. A student represented a mystery number using 6 flats and 13 long rods. Since 10 long rods can be traded for 1 flat, what is the actual number? A, 613. B, 630. C, 703. D, 730. 11. Complete the skip counting pattern. 50, 100, 150, 200, blank. A, 205. B, 210. C, 250. D, 300. Number 12. If you are counting by 20s, which number comes right after 120? If you are counting by 20s, which number comes right after 120? A, 122. B. 130. C. 140. D. 150. Number 13. Put these sari-sari store item prices in order from smallest to largest. From smallest to largest. 150 pesos, 95 pesos, and 210 pesos. Letter A, 95 pesos, 150 pesos, and 210 pesos. Letter B, 150 pesos, 95 pesos, 210 pesos. Letter C, 210 pesos, 150 pesos, 95 pesos. And letter D, 95 pesos, 210 pesos, 100 pesos, 150. Look at the number groups below. Which group is arranged in decreasing order? Largest to smallest. From the largest to smallest. Letter A, 432, 456, 489. Letter B, 102, 305, 201. Letter C, 875, 850, 812. Letter D, 600, 700, 800. Arrange it from largest to smallest. Number 15. Lito has 3 number cards. Number 7, 2, and 5. He wants to create the largest possible 3-digit number using each card only once. Which configuration is correct? Letter A, 257. Letter B, 572. Letter C, 725. And letter D, 752.